animals and their homes. Like humans, all animals need shelter to live in. Different animals live in different types of homes. Now let's see one by one the name of animals and their homes. Dog. Kennel. Dog lives in a kennel. Elephant. Forest. Elephants live in a forest. Bear. Cave. Bear lives in a cave. Tiger. Den. Tiger lives in a den. Monkey. Trees. Monkey lives on a tree. Camel. Desert. Camel lives in a desert. Frog. Pond. Frogs live in a pond. Snake. Hole. Snake lives in a hole. Rabbit. Burrow. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Ant. Anthill. Ant live in a anthill. Fish. Water. Fish live in a water. Spider. Web. Spider lives in a web. Bee. Beehive. Bee lives in a beehive. Lion. Den. Lion lives in a den. Sheep. Pen. Sheep live in a pen. Cat. Cat tree. Cat lives in a cat tree. Hen. Coop. Hens live in a coop. Deer. Grassland. Deer lives in a grassland. Horse. Stable. Horse live in a stable. Cow. Shed. Cow lives in a shed. Rat. Hole. Rat lives in a hole. Bird. Nest. Bird lives in a nest. Thank you for watching. For more educational videos, please find the link in the description box and subscribe to our channel.